You all have 30 seconds. 30 seconds आसतले हे तुमचे क्राफ्ट पेपर आणि 30 सेकंडा भितर तुम्ही कितें खंयचें कितेंय करून दाखोवपाचें. ओके ओके and no cheating. Your time starts now. All right. कोणे केला? Complete कोणे केला? Okay, Naira. What is that?
A bird.
Bird. Okay, and you won. So clap Madaka. Okay. All right. Well done. तुका स्कूलान शिकवलेले?
Why?
Okay. And for this, तुका एक लहानसो gift. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Since तू जिंकला आणि तुवें बरी गातारा म्हटल्या म्हणून this is a small gift for you.
Thank you.
Okay, and I won't be biased. For you also I have something. So this is for you, Naisa.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.